Hello everyone and welcome to our celebration assembly. It's Be Bright Be Seen Day today at school and we've loved seeing you in your colourful clothes as we think about how important it is to be safe on the roads on our journeys to and from school now the days are getting darker. There's been a massive effort from everyone in school to bring the tokens you've earned from collecting your merit points up to the office to fill up our tubes, so we wanted to show you that. You've achieved it and you're very deserving of having some treat time in your classes today. Now let's take a look at our leaves and leaderboards this week. Well done everyone and have a lovely half-term holiday.